Okay, here's another last video of the main power supply switches in the fuse box. Here's the fuse box, and on the back of the case it gives a description of all the different fuses. Nav lights, 5 amp, horn, 5 amp. I think this is a recirculating pump, 2 amp. It's for the live well. Interior light, 5 amp. Front starboard, 2 amp. Another recirculating for the live well, 2 amp. Bilge, 2 amp. Radio, 5 amp. Auxiliary, I think those are at 2 extra ones. You have rear port, aerator, 2 amp. Bilge, 2 amp. And here's the fuse boxes with the fuses. Here's all the switches. You have power, interior light, bilge, aerators for the live wells, navigation lights. And this is some switches to pump, to put water into the live wells. So if you open it up to the back, this is what the mess looks like. There's a... So anyway, it looks like the two ACC, maybe auxiliary extra ones are 5 amps right there. Thought I could maybe add something to that, but it looks like those already have something. So anyway, I don't know what that thing is. Looks like another maybe main fuse or something. Big plug in. Fish finder wires come through that hole. A little plug in. And that's it. So that's the ignition switch to turn on and start the main motor. It doesn't actually start the motor, it just supplies power to the tiller. You push a button on the tiller to start it.